Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Range Rover Evoque. We want to delete a phone, and again, this Range Rovers used to be really simple. This isn't that simple. You don't go to phone. If you go to phone, you will just have the option, if you click on there, it's either pair new device or connect. What we need to do is go to settings, so that's settings there. Then you've got phone settings at the side, all settings, audio settings. We'll go to phone settings. Settings for all phones, Bluetooth settings. Pair new device, paired devices, forget all devices. If I wanted to wipe it clean completely, I just click forget all devices. But if you just want to knock one phone off, your old phone or whatever, click on paired devices. It's showing my phone there, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Connect. I don't want to connect it, but I still have to click on it, and now it gives me, going into the menu from this direction, gives me this new menu. So you've got primary phone or forget device. We click forget device. That's it gone.